Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today we will see the importance of co-curricular activities in students' development. Friends, please don't forget to press subscribe button. The subscription is free. Okay, so let us start. First we will see what are the co-curricular activities. Education is all-round holistic development of students' physical, intellectual, emotional, spiritual, social and moral development. This goal of holistic development or non-academic development can be achieved only when co-curricular activities are effectively implemented in the educational institutions. A co-curricular activity is defined as a program or out-of-class activity supervised and financed by the school or college, which provides curriculum-related learning and character-building experiences. These activities help students to develop problem solving, reasoning, critical thinking, creative thinking, communication, and collaborative abilities. Five Minds for the Future. In the book Five Minds for the Future, the author Howard Gardner has outlined five specific mental abilities which will help one to be successful and happy. Co-curricular activities can develop such kind of abilities. First, the disciplinary mind, expertise in various subjects. Second, the synthesizing mind, ability to integrate concepts from different disciplines to solve a problem. Third, the creating mind, ability to think creatively to solve problems. Fourth, the respectful mind, appreciation of the diversity in individuals. Fifth, the ethical mind, fulfilling one's duties and responsibilities in the society as a citizen. Types of co-curricular activities. Literary activities. These include debates and discussion, subject-wise club, college magazine, dramatics, study circle, story writing, seminar, recitation, etc. In physical development activities, these include games, indoor and outdoor athletics, yoga, mass drill, parade, scouting, NCC, etc. Aesthetic and cultural development. These include music, dancing, singing, drawing, painting, sculptures, dramatics, exhibition, fancy dress, folk dance, folk songs, and variety programs. Next are craft activities. These activities are also termed as productive activities. The craft activities are spinning, weaving, soap making, book binding, toy making, knitting, embroidery work, leather work, woodwork, kitchen, gardening, etc. Social welfare activities. These include social study circle, social services on special occasions like fair, festivals, professions, cultural programs, assembly, scouting or guiding, first aid and Red Cross social survey. Leisure time activities. These include stamp collection, coin collection, collection of copies, photography, reading, needlework, and knitting. Essential skills and values that you can develop through co-curricular activities. Logical and analytical thinking, analyzing reasons behind events and situations. Then critical thinking, examining concepts, ideas, problems, and issues. Creative thinking, thinking of newer ways to solve problems, visualization, thinking of new ideas. Problem solving skills, solving problems, utilizing various concepts, solutions, etc. Leadership skills, taking initiatives and responsibilities, influencing others in working for a good purpose, setting goals, motivating others to work towards goals, and taking accountability. Social skills, collaboration, teamwork, building good relationships with others. Then emotional skills, understanding your strengths and weaknesses, controlling your emotions, empathy for others. Communication skill, the power of expression, listening to others, public speaking. Technology skills, using various computer software and apps for getting things done. Social values, respecting differences among individuals, respecting others' values and culture. Ethical values, maintaining ethics in public life, good moral values. Recreational values, understanding the importance of leisure and recreation. Importance of co-curricular activities, physical importance. Co-curricular activities like games, sports, athletics, physical exercises, yoga, etc. ensure physical fitness and proper functioning of the glandular system. These activities also provide useful channel for the superfluous energy of the students. Their surplus energy is diverted to constructive and fruitful channels. Physical activities are helpful in developing healthy lifestyle and good habits. Psychological importance. Different psychological needs of the individual are satisfied with the help of co-curricular activities. These activities provide media for training of emotions, sentiments, and sublimation of instincts. By participating in these activities, an individual gets the opportunity for self-expression. These are helpful in unfolding the hidden talent of the learner. The instincts like self-assertion, curiosity, constructiveness, acquisition, gregariousness find worthy outlets of expression and are sublimated through these activities. Academic importance. Co-curricular activities have academic and literary values. By participating in literary activities like debates, discussions, poetic recitations, symposia, drama, etc., students get training in different styles of oral expression. Moreover, classroom instructions can be supplemented with academic activities. Theoretical work in history, languages, and science can be supplemented by visiting to historical places, library activities, and nature study respectively. School magazine gives exercise in written work. Ethical importance. These activities inculcate moral and ethical qualities in the individual. Individual learns to cooperate with others, judge the situation, act honestly, display integrity, and have self-confidence while participating in these activities. Morning assembly and mass prayer can also develop qualities of character. Social importance. Co-curricular activities are very important in the development of social aspects of the personality. In group activities, students learn to share responsibility. These activities develop social traits like group feeling, cooperation, belongingness, sincerity, loyalty, and mutual understanding. These activities make the individual to understand the relation between college and society. Aesthetic importance. The activities like drawing, painting, exhibitions, variety shows, school and college decoration, music, and fine arts develop aesthetic sensibility of the learner. These are helpful in unfolding and extracting the hidden beauty in the minds of the students. Civic importance. The activities like mock court, mock polling station, mock assembly, and visiting civil institutions provide best ways for training for true citizenship. These activities bring about knowledge of rights and duties as a citizen. Such activities also give rich experience of civic life and democratic society. Cultural importance. Cultural activities provide better knowledge and understanding of our rich cultural heritage. India is a land of diverse cultures. Organization of cross-cultural activities in the educational institutions develops a taste for our culture and promotes social cohesion. Recreational importance. Leisure time activities and hobbies are very useful from educational point of view. These activities provide opportunity for recreation, amusement, and enjoyment to the students. Such activities are important for mental, emotional, and moral development of the individual. Therefore, knowledge and learning take place through interesting activities. Disciplinary importance. When students participate in co-curricular activities, they frame the rules and follow them. This develops the sense of self-discipline, which is important for leading a disciplined life. Students learn the value of discipline. These activities develop a sense of self-control and self-confidence in the pupils. Cooperation, respect for authority, leadership training can pave the way of instructing them in the fundamental of true discipline. Advantages of co-curricular activities. Co-curricular activities make a horizon for systematic and meaningful learning opportunities and prepare students for future. Co-curricular activities makes you active and energetic, thereby help in learning and enable to develop multiple skills to students. Co-curricular activities help in holistic development of the personality. Co-curricular activity, along with formal education, helps to channelize the hidden potential of the students and make you a good citizen. Domains like social, academic, intellectual, cultural, democratic, civic, and aesthetic get enriched after participating in co-curricular activities. Students who are good in sports also have good academic records. Co-curricular activities help in realizing the importance of education and develop the spirit of healthy competition. Co-curricular activities support students practically and professionally for a better future. Co-curricular activities enhances students' experience, understanding, and brings benefits beyond students' and parents' expectations. It is a good source of remaining fit and healthy and provides you a mental rest. Conclusion. In order to instill the all-rounder factor in students, co-curricular and extracurricular activities in school colleges are being integrated in the academic curriculum across several countries in the world. The rewards of these activities have been researched pretty well, and it is now ascertained that students who participate in these activities show better academic results, stronger relationships in school colleges, and are more likely to lead a healthy and active lifestyle. Moreover, students also feel a sense of belonging to the school college and have higher self-esteem by participating in structured activities like sports, music, cultural activities, performing arts, etc. In addition to this, students become more motivated to perform better in their academics. This makes the students feel happier, healthier, and involved. This establishes the importance of co-curricular and extracurricular activities clearly. If you like this video, hit the like button, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you very much.